Hey, this is our room. We're staying at Saratoga Springs tonight. This is a one-bedroom suite. And place to hang your clothes. There's a full body mirror, but I won't put my body in it. So there's a door to the adjoining suite. Nice. There's a microwave, coffee, a toaster, refrigerator, a sink, just storage space up top. Space underneath there. Get out of the mirror. The sink area in here. That's a shower and a tub. Really nice, fancy rain shower head. Hooks. This is standard closet. Has an ironing board. Has a vacuum cleaner. Extra pillow, blanket. Of course, the safe that every room has. It does have the adjusting mirror here. Dual-sided, of course, I'm sure. Yep. We'll put that to use. Oh, I got in the mirror. That's a housekeeping closet. If you're staying here, this is a DVC property, so if you are staying, they will have service come in. And this is the room. Queen size bed. Of course, this is Saratoga Springs, so it's based off of the racetrack, the Saratoga racetrack. Welcome, Tarson family. It's really nice. I'll open the bed for you. Okay, this is the spare bed. It's adorable. I'm assuming mother and son horse. Of course, there is a hidden Mickey with the ropes. It's just adorable. And then this is probably the best part of this room. Is this amazing view. Now this property does have a golf course. That's what we're on. Actually, there's some people over here playing golf. And if you see, I'm sure you can, those are the treehouse villas. Over there. We've never stayed there. We might one day. They're beautiful. But it's nice and peaceful out here. Beautiful view. A very nice room. These obviously have been updated recently. The herringbone pattern in the floor. Very nice. And of course, there's more storage under here. And what's nice is the bed is off the floor as well, so you put your suitcases underneath it if you want to. And they do have on both sides of the bed plugs and USB ports. And also plugs and USB ports on the side of the dresser. Nice size TV. Oh, the other side also has plugs and USB ports. The bed has a light switch, but I didn't see any outlets in it. So, but there's some here on the table. Of course, the Hey Disney. But it's a very nice room.